Overcoming Contempt, a guide to healing relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that touches the hearts and minds of many: curing the contempt. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's an incredibly important concept, especially in personal development and relationships. So, if you've ever felt misunderstood or struggled with feelings of deep dislike or disdain towards someone, this video is for you. Let's explore how to overcome these feelings and foster healthier interactions. First, let's break down what we mean by contempt. Contempt is more than just dislike or annoyance. It's a powerful feeling of disdain towards someone, considering them beneath consideration. It's often rooted in a mix of anger and moral superiority. Understanding this emotion is the first step towards addressing it. It's crucial to recognize the signs of contempt in ourselves and acknowledge its impact on our relationships and well-being. So, what leads to feelings of contempt? Often, contempt arises from prolonged negative thoughts and feelings towards someone, especially in close relationships. It can stem from unresolved conflicts, feeling undervalued, or even deeper issues like jealousy or resentment. Identifying the source of these feelings can be challenging but is essential in the process of curing contempt. Curing contempt isn't about suppressing your feelings but rather addressing them constructively. Here are some effective strategies. Self-reflection. Take time to understand your feelings and where they come from. This can help in identifying the root cause of your contempt. Communication. Open, honest dialogue is crucial. Express your feelings calmly and listen to the other person's perspective. Empathy. Try to see things from the other person's point of view. Understanding their experiences and feelings can help mitigate contempt. Forgiveness. Holding on to bitterness only fuels contempt. Forgiveness, while challenging, can be incredibly freeing and healing. Seeking help. Sometimes, professional guidance from a counselor or therapist can provide the tools and space needed to work through these feelings. Overcoming contempt doesn't just improve your relationships. It enhances your overall well-being. Letting go of contempt can lead to improved communication and deeper connections, increased emotional intelligence and self-awareness, a more positive outlook on life and relationships, reduced stress and a sense of inner peace. Curing the contempt is a journey towards understanding, healing, and ultimately, growth. It's about moving from a place of disdain to one of compassion and empathy, not just for others but for yourself as well. We hope this video sheds some light on how to navigate these challenging emotions and foster healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Remember, it's a process, and being kind to yourself is a crucial part of it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.